I'm learning a new JavaScript framework, which is called Vue. And today I want to walk you through what Vue is and how to set up a Vue project in just 5 minutes. So Vue is a popular JavaScript framework for building web apps basically. If you're not using Vue, you get to write a lot of JavaScript manually, to handle things like your click, your form, or your animations. But with Vue, it gives you these tools that you can use to quickly manage these things and write lesser code. So when you want to create a Vue project, the first thing you have to do is to download Node. If you have Node, no problem. You will necessarily not have to do this. But if you don't have Node, download Node. After it is being downloaded, you go to your command prompt on your computer. So first, I'm going to check my Node version to see what version of Node I have and if it is updated. And of course, yes, it is updated. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to have Vue on my laptop. So how am I going to do that? I'm going to install it. npm install -g, which means for global, is going to install Vue globally at Vue/CLI. Yeah, so here's it. It has been installed. I want to do like a to-do list to quite understand how Vue works and all that. But for now, for the purpose of this video, I'm only going to be teaching how to create a Vue project. So this is it. And I go ahead to my to-do list. So this is it. It brings me here to pick a Vue CLI I want to use. So I'm going to go for the default one, which is the Vue 3. I click on enter. It loads. It takes a while. So it brings me here basically, and it's trying to initialize Git, and thereafter, I think the project is going to be created after this. Okay, so here is it, and my to-do list has been created. So all I just need to do is to do cd to-do list, and it goes. Then I do npm run serve, npm run serve. It creates that local host link. It does my development server stuff, and it takes me to my where I can view my project. Basically, so this was so fun learning because I was just struggling with it. I had a totally different way of um creating a Vue project, but I wanted to learn doing it CLI way. I have successfully created my Vue project, and I'll see you in my next video. So if you want to catch up with me on how I'm going to build this, just stay along. I would be unveiling a lot of things I'm finding very confusing, and maybe you can also code along with me. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hit the like button, subscribe, and comment. Bye guys.